Hi, my name is Rotimi. I'm a web developer that works with MySQL. I was hunting for a good MySQL front-end tool with basic administrative features, query generation, and execution capabilities. I tried tools like MySQL GUI tools, HeidiSQL, Squirrel SQL, and eventually came across the Community Edition of Sqlyog, and I've been using the Community Edition of Sqlyog ever since. Being a developer, I mostly write SQL queries that are embedded into PHP applications or executed in Sqlyog directly against the MySQL database. Without wasting any more time, I would like to walk through my favorite features in Sqlyog when writing queries. First, I connect to a database, and I'm in. I really like the interface. It's a very good use of tabs. The first feature I want to demo is the paste SQL statement feature. Like, you right click on a table, and it gives you templates for insert, updates, deletes, and select queries. And there's a complementary feature called insert templates that has more templates for other SQL queries you might want to generate when you're writing SQL. So when you have multiple queries in the SQL editor, you can selectively comment or uncomment queries using the comment selection command, and I can uncomment using the remove comment from selection command. I like the execute all queries feature. It allows you to execute all the queries in the query area, and gives you the results in different tabs in the results pane area. And I also like the history tab, which contains a log of all the SQL queries you've run, and also some SQL queries that get generated by Sqlyog as you navigate the interface. Another feature of this tool I like is the edit and execute results, execute and edit results set. Like, you can execute a SQL query and then edit the results that come back from that query. Very handy. In the results tab, I like both the results tab and the table data tab. I like the export all rows feature that can export all the rows as CSV, HTML, XML, Excel, or SQL. I also like the duplicate current row feature, which allows you to be able to add new records to a table based on existing records in the table. And I like the other features I like are the backup database as a SQL dump, create schema for a database in HTML, and copy database to a different host or database. I would strongly recommend Sqlyog to anyone looking for a good MySQL front-end tool. Thanks a lot to all the developers at Sqlyog. Have a good one.